Hi everyone, on today's episode I am going to show you how to make Ghanaian dry Bofrot, also known as Doughnut, a perfect fried dough dessert that is not too sweet, fluffy, soft on the inside, and absolutely perfect for a sweet treat. So if you want to know how I made this snack, then watch this video. In a mixing bowl, I will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and you can use any type of flour as well. 1 cup of sugar, and you can add the sugar to your taste, okay? 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of yeast, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder. And I am going to mix everything till it is well combined before I add the wet ingredients. Okay, so here I am creating a hole, and then I will crack open 1 egg, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and you can as well use pineapple flavor or any flavor of choice. I will then add some whole milk, and here you can use evaporated milk too. Next, I will add in some salted margarine, and then I will mix everything till it is well combined, and I will form a dough. And if you don't want your Bofrot to be too brown, then you can skip the milk part, okay? So I will continue to mix it, and at this point the dough was a bit hard, so I added a little bit of water. Make sure to add a little, if not you'll be adding flour, which will let the sweetness reduce. Okay, so after that I will flour my working surface and then put the dough on it, and here I am going to knead it for at least 30 minutes. It will help make the dough very soft to make it easier for you to work with. So after that I am going to divide the dough into 2, then roll one of the dough. After rolling, I will cut it into 3 sizes. Here, do not let it be too big, okay? Just look at my size and you can cut it the same size as well. So I will tack all the sides at the middle, and then be doing it just the way I'm doing in the video. Put it in my palms and then continue. After that I will put it on the working surface and roll it very well to seal every hole, because we don't want too many cracks in our Bofrot. Okay, so after doing that I will flour my tray and then transfer all the balls on it. And here I will flour the dough as well before covering it with a napkin, and I will allow it to rest for at least 1 hour 30 minutes or till it doubles in size. Once it doubles in size, then you are good to go. So here the oil was already on fire, and I am going to fry it on a very low heat because I want it to be well cooked. If you fry it on maybe medium or high heat, it will be done in no time, and the middle will not be well cooked, and we don't want it like that, okay? So here I will be turning it from time to time because I don't want it to burn and I want it to cook evenly. So I will flip it after some few minutes. Flip it, and I will continue till I'm done with everything in the frying pan. As you can see, they are almost like donuts, but not really. The taste, everything is absolutely different. If you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now before you forget, okay? And don't forget to turn on your post notification to get you notified anytime I drop a yummy recipe. And please don't forget to like this video, share this video, so that other people can also try this recipe. In case they don't see this video, if you share it, they will definitely see it. And please don't forget you subscribe, okay, before you forget. So I fried it for about 30 minutes on a very low heat, and now it is ready. So I will remove them from the oil and put them in a colander for it to strain the excess oil from it. And you can also place them on a paper towel. So this is it. Ain't this snack yummy? Just try this recipe and you will just love it. It is very, very simple to recreate and you can make it, okay? So here, when you are done, you can pair this with porridge, hausa cocoa, mole cocoa, and even tea. Just see this. It is very, very soft, fluffy, and so sweet. Just taste this and you'll continue eating it for the day. I paired mine with some hot Milo tea and the combo was mad. You can try it as well and let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, and I will leave all the links to them in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. See you in the next one. Bye.
Local and continental dishes. I Kitchen go show you how to prepare them. Everything food. I Kitchen.